Okay, today we are going to be doing my cube collection. So, this is my first video, by the way. So, let's get right into it. We've got the standard Rubik's brand cube, which is not my main. We've got my main, the Chi Sale 3x3. And we've got the who knows what cube bought from Amazon. Oh, just so you know, all these cubes are bought from Amazon. We got the Chi 2x2, which is my only 2x2. And we got the Chi 4x4. So, I know this video was pretty short, but I'll solve a 3x3 and a 2x2. Okay? Okay, so let's get right into me solving the 2x2. Okay. Okay. Sorry for all the noise. Okay. Wrong. Right. Wrong. Boom, 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 boom. Right. Okay. Boom. Okay, 2x2 is done. Let's move on to the 3x3. Okay, so orange. Okay. Now we got the Okay. Now we got the corners of the white. Okay. We got the blue. Okay. Okay. So that goes there. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Okay, so boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's all right. Right, wrong. Boom, 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 boom. Right. Okay. Okay, so I'm done solving the two cubes. I just want to talk about stuff. Please do not hate on me. This is my first video. This is my dad's old phone I'm recording on. He gave it to me because he got an iPhone 12 and this is an iPhone 6. So, please no hate for the video quality. it's my first video. I don't have an editing software, so I'm not going to edit. I'm sorry. And YouTube has always been my dream. I really want this channel to be successful. Please like and subscribe. Please. Please like and subscribe. Bye.